Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming hardware compatibility. Check that your graphics card has at least 2 usable outputs and that each monitor supports those input types. Once done, decide if you need active adapters, use them for different signal types or when driving high resolutions. Make sure the GPU is firmly seated and that your power supply is rated for your card. Finally, download the latest GPU drivers now so the system recognizes multiple displays as soon as you power on and connect. With prerequisites done, power off the PC and monitors and plug each cable into the GPU and into its corresponding monitor input. If available, prioritize DisplayPort or HDMI for higher bandwidth. Use daisy chaining via DisplayPort MSD only if both GPU and monitors support it. Once cables are seated, power everything on and let the OS detect displays. Next, install or confirm drivers and open your operating system's display configuration to identify which. Now configure each monitor. Set the correct resolution, refresh rate, and orientation so images are sharp and motion is smooth. Adjust scaling if text appears too small. Use the GPU control panel to fine-tune color calibration, multi-display profiles, and which GPU outputs are active. If a monitor is blank or shows incorrect resolution, try reseating the cable, swapping ports or cables, and rebooting. If problems persist, reinstall the GPU driver or test the monitor on another PC to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.